Over the last 20 years, we have seen a significant increase in large corporations having to think and act globally to keep up with growing customer expectations. However, global IT programs are often late and over budget, diminishing the impact and benefits envisaged at the outset. In fact, it is the top reason that 60% of global ERP projects are perceived to have failed. It is clear that traditional deployment methods are no longer fast enough, are too expensive, and create unnecessary risk for the business. So it's vital to balance the pace the organization can absorb the change with the pressure to complete the deployment quickly. At HCL, not only do we have a way to reduce the risk and duration, we can also reduce the cost of global deployment by up to 25%. Our industrialized approach uses the right resources at the right time in a repeatable way to maximize our best-of-breed onshore and offshore capabilities. Our unique delivery model, with regular 2 monthly rollout slots, means more country go-lives per year, helping you spread the risk and business change while still significantly reducing the overall rollout time. Our collaborative approach makes us great people to work with, but don't just take our word for it. A major analyst recently reported that HCL was the only SAP services implementer to be rated a perfect 5 out of 5 for client satisfaction. When we took over as the prime contractor for a durable goods manufacturer's global SAP deployment, the project was overrunning in time and cost. We got the program back on track and reduced the rollout time by 9 months, saving 20% on their total costs. If you want to know more about our unique delivery model and how we can help you achieve your goals, talk to HCL today.